Y'all, this is your girl Didi again. This your girl Deidre Lawrence. We back. Pretty girl, we back with some macaroni. See, we about to taste test. Let's see. Yeah, I did a good job. And I'm gonna watch some funny lunch. I did a good job. If y'all want some more, this is your girl Deidre signing out. I'll be back with you with some more banger. Just push that like, push thumbs up, like, share, and comment. And I get right back to you. Peace.